I don't know what this outfit is today. I don't want to talk about it. Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, it's the February Boxycharm Battle. What are these fists? I don't know. Just hang out. Hi, if you are new here and new to the Boxycharm Battle, what I do every month is I'm comparing the regular Boxycharm monthly beauty subscription box to the premium version to kind of see, is it worth the money? Is one better? You know. All right, this is Boxycharm for February 2021, and we're gonna start with the regular box. February, the theme is XOXO, groundbreaking. If you don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box with full-size beauty items. The regular box, you get 5 full-size items, and in the premium box, you get 6, sometimes 7, and then depending, sometimes it's like more of a premium item. So we're gonna start with the regular box, and the first item to discuss, let's start with skincare. This is the Tula skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. It retails for $32. This has pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel to target blackheads and purify and minimize the look of pores. Well, this texture is actually really unique for a blackhead scrub. When I saw that label, I was like, oh, I don't know about that. A lot of times blackhead scrubs are just too harsh. You know, you can get micro tears in your skin and all that, but this was really nice. It's more of like a gel texture. Here, I'll show you. Okay, so it's more of like a gel texture, and then inside it are like little sand and beads and, you know, whatever it says is in there. I actually found it to be quite gentle. I've used it a few times and it makes my skin feel baby soft. So I really, really like it. Raspberry leaf. Oh, I guess it does smell a little bit floral. Pleasant. Okay. Next, this is the Evio Beauty PoreFect Primer. This retails for $23. It says it's a moisturizing primer with a matte finish to create a smooth base for foundation and help it last all day. I attempted to use this today. It didn't work out well. For something called PoreFect Primer, I expected it to have more of like a silicone-y, slippy type of a feeling, you know? It wasn't like that at all. It just felt like a cream, almost like a moisturizer, but it did not soak in at all. I could feel it on my skin, and I just sort of let it sit just for a few minutes before I started to put foundation on top. I applied foundation today using a sponge because I didn't want to unfairly disturb the primer, right? Even though that's kind of the point. Anyways, I used a sponge, so I was very gently applying my foundation and it just didn't look good. I took everything off, started again, and before I could even get the foundation on, I noticed it was pilling up. Just this. Super gross, super gross. So this was a fail, big time fail. If this works for you, great, but for me, no. Next in the box, I actually saw someone else review this, so when I saw it, I kind of like laughed a little bit. I'm like, oh God, how's this gonna work for me? This is from the Beauty Crop. This is the Coco Gold Mist that retails for $14.99, and you are getting not a lot compared to some other sprays. Seems kind of small. Maybe it's not though. Maybe I'm insane. Like here it is compared to like Slay All Day. It appears to be the same size bottle, so forget everything I just said, it's fine. This says it's a hydrating fine mist to set moisture, blah, blah, blah. There's tiny little gold pieces in it. I used it today. My skin feels fine. It wasn't drying. It didn't smell weird, anything like that. They leave little glitters. If you enjoy that look of just, you know, random glitters all over, this is gonna be great for you. I don't love that for my face, but what I do like this for, I sprayed a little bit in my hair for a little extra sparkle, and I think this is actually gonna be really nice for summertime. Let's assume that summer's gonna be more normal this year and we'll be able to go outside. I think this would look really nice. This would be nice to just spray on top, give you a little extra summer sparkle. I wouldn't buy this myself, but I'm not gonna throw it away. I'm not gonna give it away. I'm gonna keep it. This is super cute. This is by Glamierre. It's a pink Luxe glitter eye brush collection. This retails for $29.95. This is a 4-piece brush set. They're so cute, I can't even handle it. Now, I got about halfway through my eye look before I realized, oh yeah, the brushes. As much as I love these, like look at, oh my gosh. There's little heart glitter sparkles in the handle, and there's, oh, it's so cute. Look at that. Oh, this just makes me so happy. It's so cute and fun. I love this. And you know, the brushes, I felt them and they're very soft. So I want to keep these just so I can look at them and smile, but I'm gonna rehome this so I can spread a little love and cheer to someone else. And last, this is from Wander Beauty. This is the Getaway Eye and Face Palette that retails for $36. You're getting 6 highly pigmented shadows, a blush, and a highlighter. And it says that these are enriched with hyaluronic acid and mango seed butter to hydrate. Initially when I saw this, I was like, I don't need this. I have a million of these. I wanted to try the highlighter, honestly. I have this Wander Beauty blush and contour that I'm using like every day. So I really love the formula of their powders. I did use it today. It's super cute. It's very subtle. I would say buildable. In fact, let me add a little bit more. So cute. And this highlighter really impressed me. Very highly pigmented, like intense, I mean. Really pretty, but you're not gonna get that weird like stripe. It's very blendable. I also did use some of these shadows, these two deeper browns I used on my lower lash line. Very pigmented, smooth, buttery, went right on, blended. This would be really good for travel if we ever can travel again one day. These are gonna be very natural, beautiful, just beautiful looks. So the grand total, if you add up all of the retail prices for all of the items inside this box, the regular box, it adds up to $135.94. So for a $25 pay-in, you're getting a great value. Minus this whack-ass primer, because that's trash. Like, I'm not even gonna rehome this. This was such a fail. No. No, no, no. But with the other things, this palette, this skincare, and this setting spray, and even these brushes that I'm gonna rehome because they're so adorable, would I have paid $25 knowing that this was what was inside? Oh, 100%, for sure. I'm so mad at this primer. Fuck you. So this is really good. That's a really good box. Let's see what's in the next one. Okay, now moving to the premium offering. Let's see. First item to talk about is from Lovescript. This is a brand that I've never seen before. This is the Décolleté and Neck Cream Leave-On Mask. This retails for $58, but you are getting a lot. There is 4 ounces in here. It says it's formulated with a nutrient-rich rice protein, pre-probiotic complex, restorative extracts of white truffle and black currant bud, shea and cocoa butter, essential oils, blah, blah, blah. This is for the neck and the décolleté, the bust. I have only used this a couple times. I used it today before I was getting ready, before I put my shirt on. It's really nice. It just feels like a really, really rich, you know, cream, like body cream. It smells just like, you know, any just plain lotion, like, you know, Vaseline or Nivea or something like that, Jergens. It just smells like regular lotion. I don't know about you, but for me, I'm definitely noticing the texture of my skin on my body, I mean, in addition to my face. But the texture of the skin on my body has changed a lot noticeably in the last couple years. I'm moving into like crepey skin area. My skin just doesn't seem as plump anymore, and I'm noticing it on my neck. I try really hard to stay out of the sun because that just makes it 10 times worse. But this feels really creamy and nice, but it doesn't leave like a greasiness, a heaviness. The fragrance, like I said, smells, you know, like any old lotion, so you can kind of ignore it. You know what I mean? It's not too strong or lingering. So I really like this, and I'm looking forward to getting through this whole container to see if it makes a difference in the quality of my skin long term. All right, next. This is actually really nice. This is from Bali Balm. It's the Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. This retails for $33. That took my breath away. This retails for $33. That's outrageous. Okay, that's outrageous for a lip balm, but I will say that it's really nice. My lips absorbed it all, so I added more. The flavor, not flavor, but the scent is really lovely. You are really getting that orange, but it's not like a fakey type of orange scent, if that makes sense. It's an all-around good lip balm. I would never pay $33 for this, but I'm not gonna throw it away because I really like the way that it feels, and you can never have too much lip balm, you know? Next, this is from Ofra. This is the pressed banana powder that retails for $35. It's a matte powder. It has a very light scent of banana, fake candy banana, like it smells like Runts, you know, which made me smile. I didn't realize that it was scented. I didn't read the card before I opened the package to see what it was. Am I imagining that it smells like banana? No, I'm not. Banana powder isn't something that I typically reach for because I don't have olive tone skin or even medium. skin. This isn't necessarily something that a very goblin pale person would reach for, but I did use it today and I was very impressed. The texture of the powder is very, very, very soft and it gave a really beautiful finish. So I had already kind of like powdered and concealed, and I'd even set with the setting spray, but I used this and you can't see it aside from it just looks like a really beautiful finish. So I will be using this more often. I'm very excited about this. And you're getting a lot of product. Look how big that pan is. Yay, Ofra! Next up, from Huda Beauty. This is my first venture into eyeshadow from Huda Beauty. Spring is around the corner. It might not seem like it, but it will come soon enough. So this is a really pretty color story kind of going into spring, and I don't have a lot of lilacs around here. So this is the Huda Beauty Pastel Obsessions eyeshadow palette. This retails for $29 and you're getting 9 pans. There are mattes and really beautiful shimmers. So I used this today. You can see on the top in the crease, I went in with this center color that's more pinky than I thought it was gonna be just by looking at it in the pan. And then I used the deepest tone. There's no names of shadows, so whatever. I used the deepest tone sort of all over the lid, and then I used this lightest shimmer with my finger. No fallout, beautiful color payoff, but not difficult to blend either. I really like this, so I'm excited to kind of play with this a little bit more and make some more looks. Do I need any more eyeshadow? No, but I really like this formula a lot, so. And then last is 2 separate items, but it's the same brand and it's kind of the same thing, sort of. We'll start with the primer. This is from KVD Vegan Beauty. This is the Epic Curl Vegan Lash Primer. This retails for $24. It says Ultimate Lash Curler in a tube, giving you legendary lift and curl powered by bamboo powder. Innovative vegan formula delivers similar curl, lift, and hold as an eyelash curler. I'm gonna go with no, it doesn't. I have white eyelashes, and most of the time eyelash primers are white, which I don't understand how that works, how that's like a thing, because you want to cover your eyelashes and make them dark so you can see them. So I don't know why you would put white on them. Anyways, this is not white, which was nice. It actually has kind of like a blue tint. What are we calling this? Like a tornado, like a twisty shape. I used it on both of my bottom lashes, but then I only used it on this eye underneath the mascara that I'm going to talk about next. It went on really nice. I did curl my lashes first. I don't notice anything like amazing, and in fact I kind of feel like the mascara looks better on the eye without the primer than the eye with the primer. I don't really notice a difference volume wise. It looks exactly the same. The length kind of looks exactly the same, but what I will say the differences for me, these are very dry and crusty and these ones are just sort of like normal. I mean, mascara makes your eyelashes dry and crumbly and crusty anyways. These just don't look as good as these, you know? Okay, let's talk about the mascara. So the mascara is also by KVD Vegan Beauty, even though this container says Kat Von D on it. Dude, get your packaging together, okay? Stop sending out old shit. Kat Von D. This is the Go Bigger, Go Home mascara that retails for $24. Extreme Volume Vegan Mascara powered by plant-based fats. Big blown out volume, eye-opening effect that lasts all day without smudging. It's nice. I don't know that this is necessarily gonna replace some of my other mascaras that I enjoy. It's more of a drier formula mascara. So again, this eye is only mascara without the primer, and then this eye is the primer and mascara together. It kind of looks the same. So if I can save a step, I'm gonna save a step. So I did like this on my bottom lashes though. My bottom lashes are pitiful, sparse. So I'll keep using this to help, you know, the volume and the length and the staying power of the mascara on my bottom lashes. I'll tell you, like the more I look at the way this mascara looks on this eye especially, I just want to put on some fake lashes and be done with it. Okay, so when I add up the retail price of all of the items included in this premium box, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items instead of the regular 5, the retail price adds up to $203, which is a really great value. This cream I really like, this super expensive lip balm that's way more expensive than anything that I would ever pick out myself, but I really like the way it feels and smells. This eyeshadow palette is so pretty, and this banana powder like really surprised me. So which box is the better box this month? The premium box. Shocker. It's because the regular box had this super offensive primer. This is garbage, right in the trash. I guess that's that. All of the items that I mentioned today will be linked down in the description box. If you don't know how to subscribe to Boxycharm, you're not familiar, there will be a link down below as well. You can just click it, go sign up. Thanks so much for hanging out today and for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you want to see more videos like this one, then consider subscribing to this channel before you leave today. I upload new videos here on YouTube every week, and you can follow me on most of the other social channels. Socials. The socials. Wow. I need more coffee, obviously, so I'm gonna go do that, and I will catch you next week in next week's video. Bye! Focus. Come on, please focus. But this, oh, I've got something on my cheek. This primer was not good. Hi. Hello? Skull it though. So many chins.